Hello and welcome back. So let's get right to it, shall we? Here is my desktop. As you can see, I've got my recycle bin, some folders, and some programs. But at the bottom is also another band that may or may not be coming through. I'm not sure. If you click on the one that looks like the Windows logo, you will get this whole other box that opens up for you. As you can see, there's programs on this side. You can click on this and all of my programs will open. And then there's other avenues over here. If you click on Control Panel, you will see this whole other box open up for you. By the way, this box is called a window. So it's not only some kind of software, but it's actual a physical thing. Meanwhile, back in your control panel, you've got access to changing how your computer looks with different themes, so that you too can have a picture on your desktop like I do if you want. You can install and uninstall programs, and you can change certain things on your computer to make it more user-friendly for you. For example, if you click on Ease of Access, I believe is where you're going to find how to change the little arrow to something else if you want to. Alright, moving on. Here is a picture of my keyboard. These are function keys. Here's your backspace. If you made a mistake, you want to get rid of something, or if you just want to go back, it will delete though as you go back. If you just want to go back and make changes, you'll want to use this arrow. It'll leave everything intact while it moves your cursor back. This is your enter button. Your enter button is like the little bar on an old typewriter. It will take you back to a new line. This is your tab button. Your tab will either move you 5 spaces over, or if you are filling out cells, it will move from one cell to another cell. We'll talk about that more later. Your escape key is if you need to get out of something and it's not letting you, like maybe your computer won't shut down for some reason. And your control and alt buttons, when hit at the same time, will also do the same thing. Also, your control and your C button will copy something, and your control and V button will paste something. But we'll get into that more later too. This is a picture of a mouse. This one happens to be one that you connect to the computer. This is the button you click for most of your activities. This is a scroll, so if you click and you're on a page, you can use this as to go up and down on a page. And this is the right click button, which when you click on your right click button, you will get a whole new set of options to do with whatever you're working on. Maybe that's copy, maybe that's paste. It just depends on what you're working on. Okay, so let's talk about a few other things that you'll need to know about a computer. Computers need you to store things on them, or on other things. That's how you hold on to them. So if you store something on your computer, you're storing it on its hard drive. Or you can store things on other devices such as CDs or thumb or flash drives. Another place you can store something is on a file, which is what this is. You simply make a file by right-clicking, and then this box will come up and you can click New, and then you have this whole other option of a whole new set of options. You'll want to click on Folder. Now this folder is like a file, so you can name it anything you want and then store things into it. Thank you.